विष्णुवे भो नमो। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। All Chinese has come and not? Huh? Who will translate in English? You? You ask all Chinese has come? Huh? सब लोग आ गया और इधर everybody has come or not? Huh? So by the causeless mercy of Guru and Gauranga, now we have come this place Kurukshetra. श्रीमद् भागवत गीता फर्स्ट श्लोक। धृतराष्ट्र उवाच, धृतराष्ट्र ने कहा, क्या बोला? धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे समवेता युद्धोत्सव मामका पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वत संजय। धृतराष्ट्र he asked to Sanjay, my sons and the son of Pandava, Pandus, that is called Pandava, they arrived in the place of Kurukshetra, because Kurukshetra is called the pilgrimage place, Dharmakhetra. And after arriving on the Kurukshetra, what they are doing? Here question is coming, why Dhritarashtra he asked this question? Because they have come in Kurukshetra for war, युद्ध करने के लिए आए, to fight with each other. So why Dhritarashtra he asked this question? Dharmakhetre Kurukshetre samaveta युद्धोत्सव. युद्धोत्सव means what the meaning युद्धोत्सव? युद्ध करने के इच्छा के लिए जो आते हैं उसे युद्धोत्सव कर. They arrived here to fight to each other for the war. So why the question arise in his heart? धृतराष्ट्र के मन में ये प्रश्न क्यों हो गया? युद्ध करने के लिए आए, युद्ध ही करेंगे, किंतु उन्होंने प्रश्न कर रहे, क्या प्रश्न किया? कुरुक्षेत्र रूपी धर्म क्षेत्र, उन्होंने स्वयं ही कहा दिया कुरुक्षेत्र रूपी धर्म क्षेत्र। क्योंकि धृतराष्ट्र के मन में एक शंका था। धृतराष्ट्र he has one doubt. He was thinking Kurukshetra is called the seventh pilgrimage, among the seventh pilgrimage place, Sapta Moksha Daika. In India there are seventh liberation place, Mukta Daika. If you just come in that place, all your sinful activity destroy from your heart, and you will be liberated from the material, attain to abode of Lord. Just I also tell, the seventh Moksha Daika place, that's called Kasi, Kanchi, और क्या बोला? अवंतिका, द्वारका, मथुरा और मायापुर. हरिद्वार भी, हाँ हरिद्वार, और काशी तो वाराणसी है ना, काशी और वाराणसी एक ही शब्द है, और मथुरा, मथुरा भी मोक्षदायिका में एक सप्त मोक्षदायिका में मथुरा भी एक विशेष कहा गया. इसलिए बिना मथुरा की धूलिबा परिक्रमा के बिना वृंदावन परिक्रमा नहीं होते हैं. विदाउट टेकिंग द डस्ट ऑफ मथुरा you cannot to perform Vrindavan Parikrama. You have to go Mathura Parikrama. For this regard, 3 weeks before we also did Mathura Parikrama. And those who did not, you can go again. You are not alone. Krishna is with you. Tu akela nahi pyare, Krishna tera saath, naam tera saath. So now coming in this way, this is very super excellent auspicious place. Because Dhritarashtra, he was thinking, this is the pilgrimage place. Because our scriptures explain, if you go to the pilgrimage place, automatically your heart will be purified. And especially 5 pilgrimage places. And that's called Moksha Daikasthan. Daika means who gives to Mukti, liberation. And free from all kinds of sinful activities. Understand? But very carefully. Again, you committed sinful activity in the pilgrimage place, your heart will be thunderbolt. Understand? भगवान की तीर्थ स्थल में आकर के कभी पाप कार्य करना नहीं चाहिए, निर्मल चित्त में रह करके करना चाहिए, नहीं तो चित्त कैसे हो जाएगा? पत्थर की भांति हो जाएगा, वज्र सम हो जाएगा, उससे कुछ नहीं होगा. इसलिए very carefully don't commit any sinful activities in the pilgrimage place, especially Mayapur and Haridwar. So now coming in this way, so Dhritarashtra is thinking, maybe my sons and Kaurava, Duryodhana, his mind already changed, and he would not to fight against two Pandavas, and he will give kingdom to them. Or maybe he is thinking, maybe Yudhishthira will not fight. So my son, automatically he will get the kingdom of Hastinapur. This is his doubts. So this place we have seen that the one very nice, beautiful picture. In this dynasty of Kaurava and Kuru, he also one day he was performing what is called plowing, हाल से कर रहे थे. So then Lord Vishnu also told, "Then what are you doing here?" What I am doing. One day this, so Lord Vishnu told, one day this place will be pilgrimage place. And Lord Vishnu also gave blessing. If anyone will die in this place, they will be direct attained to Vishnu Loka. And for this regard, Kaurava and Pandavas, they also decided to perform the war. युद्ध करने की यही सोचा था इसी स्थान को. Why? Because if anyone will die without performing bhajan and sadhana, they will go direct to Vaikuntha. But have to faith. विश्वास के साथ करो. Sometimes you can give an example. Once one, what is called, जिसके कुष्ठ हो जाते, कोढ़ हो जाते हैं, leprosy person, and he was suffering many years. And then he met with one sadhu. Sadhu told, if you listen Mahabharata 1 month, then all your leprosy will be gone. But we have to listen Mahabharata with firm faith, because Mahabharata many katha is very extraordinary and not only what and believable. विश्वास के योग्य नहीं होते, क्योंकि we have to believe. कई कथा जैसे होता है विश्वास के हम नहीं विश्वास कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि हमारे क्षुद्र मस्तिष्क होते, because our brain is very small and contaminated with the maya. For this regard, sometimes we cannot believe. But you have to faith and listen Mahabharata. So at that time, the one sadhu told the Mahabharata katha, then all his leprosy almost gone. The little bit leprosy inside of his, what is called, nail, little bit. And that day sadhu, he was speaking the power of Bhima. And he told in Dabarjuk, Bhim, he was juggling. You know juggling? Jugging. Jugging with the elephants. Well, how many elephants? Well, 7 or 10 elephants he was juggling. And one elephant as like a big mountain, as a Himalaya. That time he was thinking, how possible? Well, how possible Bhim will juggling? Even a juggling, they're taking the ball and doing the Well, one elephant, and their figure form is as like one mountain, as like Himalaya. Tell you how possible. And I don't believe. Oh, you don't believe it. Then Sadhu told, your leprosy has gone, but this leprosy will not go. You have to suffer. How possible? They believe him, how he has a big body, gigantic body. भीम के बॉडी कोई साधारण बॉडी नहीं था, क्यों था? एक है दापर युग के मनुष्य के शरीर, कितना था? त्रेता युग के दुगुना, और त्रेता युग के मनुष्य जो है दापर युग के दुगुना, और सत्य युग के मनुष्य उससे भी दुगुना. In this Kali Yuga, our body is figure, दापर युग के फर्क 2 times, त्रेता युग 3 times. Or Satya Yugas, their bodies 4 times. So you can understand that Bhim is how he is what gigantic body. Or Bhim, he was not ordinary person also. So now coming in this way, that is how possible. If you show to me, then I can believe. And that time Sadhu just he made the claps 1, 2, 3, then 2, 3, and many elephants fell down. Look this. So he told this, actually still that the elephant, how was Bhim, he was there, when elephant coming, but a ordinary or the warrior coming, Bhim just push his hand, the elephant, what is called? Elephant, ears. Then elephant flew in the sky and going how far? Antariksha, and in the universe, and they are wandering around. बोले भीम की शरीर हाथ में इतने शक्ति था, बड़े बड़े कोई रथी आरथी उनके पास में आ जाते, हाथी के साथ बैठ कर कोई रथी आ जाते, भीम केवल हाथ के द्वारा ऐसे कर देते, वो उनके हाथी जो है आकाश के ऊपर इतने दूर से तेज से चले जाते हैं. जैसे हम उदाहरण देते हैं, ऐसे रुई खंड है, रुई है ना. If you take the one piece of cotton and just you blow your hands, that the cotton piece of cotton also blowing in the sky. In the same way, how much strength, power in the hand of Bhima. Bhim just with his hand and moving, then thousand elephants and jumping and going towards the sky and running in this. Because how Bhim was very powerful. For this regard, Bhim, he killed Dhritarashtra's and 100 sons. धृतराष्ट्र के 100 पुत्र के भीम ने क्या किया? गदा के द्वारा सबको मार दिया था. Bhim killed Dhritarashtra's 100 sons. So now coming to this place is Kurukshetra. Actually, this is the place, and the many place. Then they also, actually, this is the main place, because Brahmaji, he realized in Satya Yugas, here will be very pilgrimage place, and this place will be performed war. This is the place. So now coming in this way, this is the main. Then the many things also Jati called Jatisar, here Krishna manifestation, universal form. That is saying that how far long here? Maybe 10-15 meters.
6 kilometers.
6 kilometers from here. Then another place, what is called? Kurukshetra is called. Actually, this place also, Krishna came in this place actually. Krishna, just I give some statements. Krishna performed his Leela in Vrindavan, 11 years, 10 years, 8 months he was staying in Vrindavan. That means Krishna's Leela, Vrindavan Leela, how many years?
10 years, 8 months.
10 years, 8 months. According to the statement of Jiva Goswami Pad. Jiva Goswami के विचार उनके अनुसार कृष्ण लीला की जो है कृष्ण ब्रज में कितने दिन तक रहे? 10 साल 8 महीने. Krishna he was staying in Braj 10 years and 8 months. Then Krishna, he performed sweet Leela, especially Krishna topmost Leelas, that got Rash Leela, he performed Rash Leela. Then Narad Rishi came. Narad Rishi told to Krishna, only you perform the Raslila the gopis, but these Mathuras, the devotees, they are suffering many kinds of distress of Kamsa, the Usuras, they are torturing to them, so you have to go there. Then Akrur he came, and then Akrur brought Krishna Balram and Vrindavan to Mathura. Then Krishna killed first किसको मारा था? कुबलाय हस्ती को मारा. And Krishna first he killed that the elephant name is Kubalai Hasti. Then Krishna fight with Chanur Mustik. Then Krishna finally he killed Kamsa. And then Krishna he released Devaki and Vasudev and also Ugrasen from the jail. And then Devaki and Vasudev very quickly they performed their sacred thread ceremony. That is called Jagga Upavit. And Devaki and Vasudev sent to Krishna in Ujjayini. Then 64 days Krishna and Balaram they learned all Shastras and in the ashram of Sandipuni. And he also made very nice beautiful friendship with Sudama Vipra. This katha also Sukhdev Goswami Pal told to Parikshit Maharaj, Sudama Vipra katha. Then Krishna returned back in Ujjaini to Mathura. This katha again. And again, what is his name? Jarasandha, and this father-in-law of Kamsa, and because Kamsa he married Jarasandha's two daughters, Usti and क्या नाम है? प्राप्ति. मेरा ग्रंथ पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा कुछ? पढ़ना. ब्राह्मण गीत में सब लिखा है. पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा? Usti प्राप्ति के. Then Usti and Prapti, they also told many harsh words to Jarasandha, their father. Then Jarasandha became very angry, and Jarasandha first 17th times he attacked Mathurapuri. And Krishna and Balaram very easily killed all his enemies. Because Krishna Bhagavan he knows that Jarasandha's many enemies. So Krishna he knows they after a few years will be in Kurukshetra. So first he killed the many armies of Jarasandha. Then after 17th and 18th times when Jarasandha he attacked Mathurapuri, then Krishna he took all the residents of Mathura and he came in Dwarakapuri. In the middle of the ocean, and Vishwakarma he built very nice beautiful Dwarakapuri there, and then Krishna also married 16,108 and Princess Rajkumari is there, Rukmini Satyabhama, Brihat Vaman Puran, Krishna also married Rukmini in Mathura. But others Puran also explain this way, especially Srimad Bhagavatam discourses, that Krishna married all the queens in Dwarakapuri. Then, but here Brajavasi, they also felt pang of separation. Krishna felt pang of separation from Brajavasi. Brajavasi also felt pang of separation. Then Krishna sent to Uddhav, Mathura to Vrindavan, but Uddhav's mission completely failed. When Uddhav could not satisfy or pacify their separation of Brajavasi. Then Krishna came in Dwarakapuri many years, and Krishna's big family also there, and one queen's 10 sons and one daughter. So you can read it easily. Then Krishna also killed many demons in Dwarakapuri in there. Then after when the auspicious time came, that is called Surya Grahan, solar eclipse. Solar eclipse is come. Then Krishna decided that I have to go to one very, what is called, the Tirthasthal. So Krishna, he came in Kurukshetra, that place is called the Shamanta Panchak. These things also explain Srimad Bhagavatam. Actually we have come here not for the Kurukshetra, where Kaurava and Pandavas, they also perform the war. Because war is going every day in our house, in our mind also. Who is not worrying? कौन युद्ध नहीं कर रहे हैं? ये तो युद्ध अनंत काल से चलता रहे, चलते ही रहेगा. This war will be go unlimited time. मन के द्वारा भी युद्ध होते जा रहा है. गोपियां भी कहते हैं चलसी जल ब्रजन चारयन पुसन नलिन संदनम नाथत पदम. Gopis, they also told, hey Krishna, when you used to go herding the cows, then you are feeling so much pain in your feet. So our mind very disturbed. Because how possible you walk on the path of cow grazing place, जहाँ पर गोचारण होते, वहीं पर अनेक प्रकार के कांटे रहते. Where cows are grazing, that place is completely hard. क्या बोलते हैं, कांटे की तरह कंटा करना होता है. So many thorns, and so you are feeling so much pain. So gopis mind also disturbed. So मन के द्वारा तो भी चलते रहे. गोपियाँ कृष्ण के प्रति प्रीति रखते हैं, इसलिए कहते हैं उनकी भी मन में भी कलह करते रहते. एक मन कहते हैं ये कृष्ण वृंदावन में कैसे चले, और दूसरी मन कहते हैं क्योंकि वृंदावन में कांटे घास नहीं है. And one mind of gopis, they are thinking how possible Krishna when he roaming on Vrindavan, that is so Krishna is feeling so much pain in his feet. Feet बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, सोल बोलते हैं. फीट पे इसके बोलते हैं, इसके नीचे की क्या बोलते हैं, सोल. So how possible? Another mind is saying how possible. No, in Vrindavan everything is as like rubber. You know rubber? If you just press your feet, then it will be as like sponge, and you is not feeling any pain. And for this regard, Chinese, they are very clever. For this regard, they also manufacture one kinds of shoes, and you also say massage your feet, Chinese shoes. If you go to China, I went in China, Chinese shoes also there, and massaging. Then automatically massaging, you feel not pain, body and culture got very nice. So one hand the gopis, they are saying same way. In Vrindavan actually there are no stone chips, no thrones, nothing. They are all they are serving to Krishna. Jat kinchit tinugul mein kikatra mukham goshte samasti nidat sarvananda mukunda daitan ilanukulam param. Sastra sputamita nishtinta jancha brahmadi saspiran madhyantya vandate. Our scripture also saying in Vrindavan everything is what? All they are favorable for Krishna seva. There in Vrindavan there are no anything what unfavorable for Krishna. कृष्ण की कोई प्रतिकूल वस्तु नहीं रहता. कृष्ण के सभी अनुकूल है. वहीं पर कांटे कुछ जो कुछ भी है सर्प बिच्छू सब कृष्ण सेवा के अनुकूल. एवरीथिंग फेवरेबल फॉर कृष्ण सेवा. यदि कोई कांटे है, कंकड़ है, बड़े कंकड़ कांटे कृष्ण के क्या करते हैं, चरण की जो है मैसेज कर देते हैं. जैसे आप चलते चलते थक जाते हो तो पैर में क्या करना चाहिए, मैसेज करना चाहिए. एक पत्थर के ऊपर पैर रख करके रगड़ाओ तो पैर क्या होगा, मसाज हो जाएगा, सारे तुम्हारे थकान चला जाएगा. इफ यू बिकम वेरी टायर्ड टू वॉक, just to take one stone and also massage in your soul, then all your pain go. So in this way one mind of gopis are saying this thing, how possible Vrindavan Krishna feel pain. So now coming in this way, so क्या बोल रहा था, Kurukshetra. So Krishna, he chose to come here in this place of Kurukshetra, and that time was very super excellent auspicious time. That is called Surya Grahan. Super excellent auspicious time. And Krishna came this place that is called Samanta Panchak. Krishna, he knew everything. After 10 or maybe 15 years or 100, what is called 50 years, here will be युद्ध होगा. That they will perform the war. So this place Krishna also chose to come here. And when Krishna came here with all the residents of Dwarka, then all the residents of Hastinapur and Brajvasis, all they came here. And Even Srimati Radhika, she also came. Yeah. But in Sanat Samhita also explained, original Radhika, Visvabhanu Nandini Srimati Radhika, the daughter of Visvabhanu Maharaj, or the daughter of Kritika Sundari, she did not come. Her two expenses. उनके दो प्रकाश, एक होता है संयोगिनी राधा, one equal संयोगिनी राधा, और another is called वियोगिनी राधा. संयोगिनी राधा, she came here and met with Krishna, और वियोगिनी राधा, she went in Visakha Kunda, that is called Uddhav Kyari, very close to Nandagaon. Where Srimati Radhika, she manifested her transcendental madness, Dippo Unmadasa. Udghurna, Jalpa, Aljalpa, Sijo, Sujalpa, Pradiyalpa, Vijalpa, and these things. Also, Brahmar Git. You read my Brahmar Git, everything also elaborately explained. Hindi kar rahe ho ki nahi kar rahe ho? Kahan pe? हाँ, Chitra Jalpa. Very nice, beautiful this first time. So now coming in this Krishna's and Srimati Radhika's, which expansion? Sanjogini Radha. She also came with her Sakhis, and Krishna also here. Because we are not go, because after taking prasadam have to go to, and we will not go other place. Because if you take darshan, this is all the, all you get all the fruits. We will not go other place. Because if you go, then we cannot attend to Khana, because today is Dasahara. So many also are. And Rasu, so many people on the street. So after taking prasad, we have to go. So this is actually Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukadeva Goswami Pad told this because this is very pathetic. Or Siddhar Goswami Maharaj also explained, Kurukshetra Milan, gopis they met with Krishna in Kurukshetra. This is very, very pathetic. This thing also. Because if you not meeting someone, the another, but after meeting, what kinds of feeling, then so much meeting and separation will come. That things was after Sudirgha Vipralambha, after long separation, when you meet with your very close friend, that time you are feeling so much pain also. सुदीर्घ विप्रलंब के बाद जो मिलन होता है, उस मिलन में अंतर में, बाहर में तो मिलन होता है, किंतु अंदर में विरह की बहुत उत्पन्न होता है. If you meet someone after long separation, externally you feeling happiness, but internal you feel so much unhappiness. Why? किसलिए बताओ, कोई बताओ, समझ में आया क्या कारण के बताओ? नहीं, वो कुछ समय के लिए यो आपकी ये रहेगा, हम तो अभी मिल रहे हैं, जैसे आपके साथ हम ही मिल रहे हैं, कुछ 10 मिनट के बाद हम छोड़ कर चले जाएंगे, आप दिल्ली चले जाएंगे, हम इधर चले जाएंगे, वो उधर चले जाएंगे. यदि प्रेम वास्तव होता है, उसमें क्या होता है, विरह अधिक हो जाता है. जैसे उदाहरण दे, गिव एन एग्जांपल, आफ्टर लॉन्ग सेपरेशन, इफ यू मीट योर वेरी क्लोज फ्रेंड, and externally, physically you are feeling happiness, but internally you are feeling more unhappiness. क्यों? Why? Because automatically your future separation coming in your heart. भविष्य की विरह की जो अग्नि आकर के आपको और भी सताएगा. Give an example. If the small fire, you can put the water. This small fire will be established. अल्प आग में यदि पानी छिड़क दिया जाए, वो पानी बुझ जाएगा. क्यों? जहाँ पर बृहद पानी, बृहद अग्नि है. If the huge fire, but if you put the fire, if you put the water, the fire will be what? Increase more and more. This is the nature. In the same way, gopis, they felt pang of separation from Krishna. This is true. But when they used to meet with Krishna, and their separation is coming more and more. What called? That is called future separation coming. That in their heart coming. They now are meeting with my beloved Krishna. This is true. But after few hours, but few minutes, we have to feel separation from it. इसलिए कहा जाता है सुदीर्घ विप्रलंब के बाद जो मिलन होता है, उस मिलन में अत्यंत दुख आकर के हृदय के सताते रहते हैं। ऊपर से आनंद होता है किंतु अंतर हृदय में दुख होता है। अगर अपोजिट वे, if you meet someone, if you feel separation, but you completely absorbed, then externally you are feeling separation, but internally you feel happiness. उल्टा हो जाता है। तब तो इच्छु चर्बन जोइचे छाड़न न जाए। Give an example, if you chewing the sugar cane, so sweet, juice is coming, but same sugar cane, money nahi. Same sugar cane, if you put them in the fire, if you put the same sugar cane, put in the fire, and the inside the rust completely hot, juice completely hot, and if you chewing, automatically your tongue will be burned. But so much sweet, taste to the sweetest, but you cannot throw. You are feeling so much taste, Anand. So for this regard, Chaitanya Charitamritam, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami gave this example. Tapta ikchu charban joiche chadano na jaye. So much taste will come. In the same way, one who feeling separation, but externally separation, but internally feeling meeting, आनंद होता है। जतो देखो वैष्णवेर व्यवहार दुख अंतर जानियो तुम्ही परम आनंद। Those high class exalted devotee of Lord, they are feeling separation from Krishna, shedding tears and all kinds of activities of separation. But internally they are meeting with Krishna and feeling so much happiness. So now coming in this way, Srimati Radhika, she met with Krishna. Here do you remember which Radhika? Sanjogini Radha. She met with Krishna. But she felt frank of separation from Krishna. Why? Because she realized that after a few minutes, few hours, we have to separate from this thing. For this year, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the same mood of Srimati Radhika, Mahaprabhu recited where Oner Mon More Bon Vrindavan, Mone Bone Ak Kori Jani, Tahati Tumar Padatta, Korau Jidi Udoy, Tobi Tumar Purna Kripamani. Mahaprabhu told, I am Radha, or Krishna, or Jagannath is Samsundar. Same mood of Kurukshetra, Mulan. Because Mahaprabhu did not see Jagannath. Mahaprabhu is thinking this is son of Nanda Maharaj. Vikranapi Sakshatmi Brajendra Nandan. Mahaprabhu realized this thing. So Mahaprabhu is thinking same mood of Srimati Radhika is saying. Radhika she told, hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Because Vrindavan is your origin house. Aner mon var Vrindavan mane bane ek kari jani tahati tumhare padadhay karao jodi uday tabe tumhar purna kripa mane. Because Kurukshetra or Jagannath Puri is called a part of also Dwaraka. So Krishna, all his mood is what? Kshatriya bhav. Kshatriya bhav. So for this regard, Krishna's form is also different. And in Kurukshetra, Krishna's form is what? King, crown on his head, Raj Mukut, Sarana Singhasan, and golden throne. Krishna is sitting. And all his associates, Parikar also this way. And Krishna's is very grave, Gambhir. Understand? And here many chariots coming, going, elephants, they are making sound, horses are running here and there, many people are coming and giving revenues to Krishna. Or Vrindavan completely quite different mood, different. Vrindavan come in quiet place, there is Joguna, where Krishna performs sweet, almost pastimes on the bank of Joguna. In the water of the Joguna, there is called Jal Vihar, water sporting pastimes, Nauka Vilas, boat sporting pastimes. In there are cuckoo birds. That's it. Cuckoo birds, they are singing very nicely. Cuckoo birds, they are singing in there, day and night. And Mayur, Mayuri, peacock, peahen, always they are making very nice sound, ke, ka. They are also loving quarrel to each other, glorify about Radha and Krishna. Peacock glorify about Krishna, peahen, female, she is glorified to Srimati Radhika. And in this way, many also trees are there. And many flowers trees and on the bank of both sides of the bank of Jumuna. And very nice and calm and quiet place. No any sound. Here many sound. Maybe on the road, many cars are going, coming in the same way. Look there, every second. But if you go Vrindavan, sit one place on the bank of Jumuna and completely calm and quiet place. Especially there Giriraj, Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Sam Kunda, and these things. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she told, "Hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan." Then Krishna, finally he told, because gopis they so say they also use many harsh words to Krishna, because there is so much love and affection with Krishna. Understand this thing? So they also told to Krishna, what is the love and affection with us? Nothing. Love is nothing. What is love? Only your mental activities. I love you. What is the love? And what is the form of love? Nothing. One day you are saying I love you, then after few days, few months, few years, I don't like you. What is the meaning of love? Love is called one kind of sentiments also. According to the conception of loving and quarrel of the gopis. Gopis say love is one, not love, not other than one. What is called? क्या बोला? Sentiments. केवल भाव मात्र है. And I love you, then I love you. Then you say I don't like you, then I don't like you. What do you mean love? Nothing. And actually, Gopi, this is not their conception. In this material world, we are saying this because we have to be nonsense rascal. And we have no love for this way. If you have love you are not doing this way. Jadi hai jog kabhu, na hai bio. बंद क्यों करते? खोल दे किसी. যদি হয় যোগ কবু না হয় বিয়োগ. Love means is what? Love, if you really connected with Krishna or Guru and Vaishnava, you will never separate. Or if you separate, then you cannot survive your life. You have to die. Love is not the mundane things. For this regard, Krishna Das Kaviraj, Samit in this material world, this is not love. That is called the lust. Atmendra Prativancha Tarivalika. Krishnendra Prativancha Dhari Pramana. Love means is what? Only one pointed with Guru and Krishna. This is the love. Love is coming. If you separate from Krishna, you cannot survive your life. Survive your life, you have to die. Jadi hoy jog, tobu kabu na biog. Biog hoile mo na ji hoy. Krishna Das Kaviraj. Our aim and object this thing, how to manifest our love from our heart. You have everything. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya Kubu Noy. Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Korva Uday. You have everything. Just do bhajan and sadhan. Chant holy names. Then, by the causeless mercy of Guru and Krishna, that things which is potential, that potential will manifest in your heart. तुम्हारे हृदय में सब कुछ है, उसको क्या करो? जागो. उत्तिष्ठ जागृत प्राप्य वरानो निबोधत. साधन मीन्स इज व्हाट? जगाओ. जैसे आग, पत्थर में भी आग है. पत्थर में आग देखे कभी? एक पत्थर में भी आग है, एक लकड़ी में भी आग है. उस आग को क्या करना पड़े? प्रकट कराओ. बोले how possible the fire inside the stone? You take the two pieces of stone and rub very quickly, then you can see the fire, and the spark of the fire automatically comes. And you can take two pieces of the wood and rub very quickly, the fire will come. If fire not inside, where the fire is coming? In the same way, you have everything. And when the jiva was manifested from the, what is called, marginal potency of Lord, you have that thing. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadhya ko guna hai. Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte kara hoda hai. Just you manifest, listen Hari Katha. Sarvanadi, Sarvan Kirtana Novida Bhakti. Or if you are listening, then you block, then your 1,000 lives finish.
Sorry?
If you blocked means is what? If you break the process of bhajan, then you go down again. You are very close to Lord. How far from Lord you are? कितना दूर है भगवान से मिलने के लिए? ज्यादा दूरी नहीं, केवल 2 उंगली रह गया. आप यदि बहुत दूर पर आ गया, only 2 fingers far from Lord. But if you break these things, sadhana bhajan, then you fall in 1,000 kilometers, you will go down. पहाड़ के चट्टी पर चढ़े जाते हो, केवल थोड़ी सी दूर रह गई, और उतने समय पैर फिसल जाए तो हजारों किलोमीटर नीचे जाकर के गिर जाओगे. And if you go to Haridwar to Kedar Badrinath, very steepy, and what is called mountain, and you almost are at the top of the mountain, but little bit your feet, what is called, slippery ho jaye, and you fall down 1,000 feet, you will go down, and never you go out there. And in the same way, Lord is very merciful. He brought you Guru Vaishnavas, and recently you have come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sachidananda Gaurhari, who is the embodiment of munificent and magnanimous. He is giving to you. But if you little bit committed offense, then you fall down 1,000 kilometers. Not possible. So again come. So very carefully these things. Never committed an offense, lotus without Guru and Vaishnava, and chant Hari Name. This life you have to achieve your highest perfection. You faith these things. Or you faith, you how possible Bhim, you are juggling with the elephants. That elephant as like they have a big mountain. But they look white. In the same way have faith. Vishwas kariya bhai karo sevan. Krishna Das Kaviraj, oh my brother, you have to serve Guru and Vaishnava with firm faith in it. You almost achieve in your ultimate goal. That is deri nahi hai. How much? 2 fingers. What the 2 fingers again? Your chesta or Bhagavad Kripa. Your endeavors, and then Lord's mercy is coming. Almost you got the mercy of Lord. Otherwise, how possible you come here? Especially you have come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You did not go Karmi, Gyani, Yogi, Sadhus. You have come in the Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So try to understand. So just I also return back this thing. Je prem this is way. So Srimati Radhika, she felt frank of separation from Krishna. But Krishna is very tricky. Krishna told, hey, Srimati Radhika, because that time Srimati Radhika, she also used many harsh words to Krishna. Yeah, how possible you forgot your mother and father? Srimati Radhika, she told, you may forget to me or us. Because we have no relationship with you. Our relationship with Prem. Our Prem is as like sentiments. What is the love? Srimati Radhika, she used this harsh word. Love means sentiment. I love you, love you. Then after I don't like. So don't like, no problem. Actually, this is not a real meaning mood of Srimati Radhika. This is what? Samchan chesta. घर में जब पति पत्नी में झगड़ा होती है ना, पत्नी भी कह देते हैं, मैं तुम्हें शादी नहीं करते, मेरा अच्छा रहता। और पति भी कह देते हैं, हाँ मेरा भी ऐसे एक गलती हो गई, तुम्हें शादी करके मेरा गलती हो गई। पति पत्नी में कभी झगड़ा होता है ना, और फिर दोनों ही मिलता रहता है, और छोड़ के थोड़ी चल जाता है। Sometimes you are looking, sometimes wife and husband, they also are quarreling to each other. For in my life I did one mistake. एक भूल कर दिया। क्या भूल किया? शादी किया। One day I was begging in Mathura and coming very midday, about 2 p.m. Very hot. Then rail line crossing, then rail station we cannot go. देन इज वन डीवीडी में ये कह रहे थे, पत्नी कह रही है देखो हम लोग के दुख कैसे है, हम भी रो रहे हैं, हमारे बच्चा भी रो रहे हैं, खाने की कुछ नहीं है, हम लोग के जीवन इतने, हम लोग पूर्व जन्म में कौन सा कर्म किया, दुख को दुख। पत्नी कह रहे तेरे दुख, तुम्हारे दुख नहीं है, हमारे बच्चे के दुख, सब दुख के मैं दायी हूँ। बोले क्या, यदि मैं यदि शादी नहीं करते न तू रोता, मेरे बच्चा नॉट मैं रोते है। Then husband is saying, if I would not marry, so now not possible to come our children, not possible, not you also coming with us. So that means I married to you. So for this regard you are crying, my children are crying, also we are crying. सब हम लोग रो रहे हैं। वास्तव ये सत्य होता है, यदि मैं शादी नहीं करते न तू रोता न मैं रोती। ये बात तो सत्य होती है। ब्रह्मचारी इसको समझ नहीं पाएंगे, जब शादी करेंगे तब समझ में आएगा, क्यों तो अब रोते रोते सारा जीवन चला जाएगा और थोड़ी आएगा। वास्तव यही तो सत्य है। जब कहते हैं अरे शादी मत करो, नहीं गुरुदेव शादी कराई दो, दिल्ली का लड्डू जो खाया वो पछता है, जो नहीं खाया वो पछता है कि नहीं है? कहाँ है सब? समझ में आ रही कि सब नहीं? कहाँ गई सब? दुख है कि सुख है? सुख है, थोड़ा सुख तो है, नहीं तो क्यों रहता, किंतु के 1% सुख है किंतु 99% दुख ही है, किंतु उसे समझ नहीं पाता है। चलो श्रीमती राधिका, फर्दर श्रीमती राधिका she told how possible you can forget to us. Actually this is what teaching word. Teaching word is teaching माने हाजी है, हाजी teaching क्या बोलते हैं? हाँ ये बहुत ये होता है, जब प्रेम होता है ना ऐसी बात बोलते हैं। वेदनाद एक शब्द होता है, बहुत कठिन होता है, हृदय में तो दुख होता है और बाहर में उसी प्रकार बोलते हैं। तो श्रीमती राधिका she told how possible you forget your mother Jashoda, your mother Jashoda, she is crying for you and now she almost lose her eyesight, अंध हुई लोग बजो माँ Jashoda, mother Jashoda, she almost also blind, she is crying for you. So how possible to forget your mother? And ब्रजेर कानाई ब्रजेशो दिन दुए केर मतो सुबल कांदे श्रीदाम कांदे कांचे अविरत ब्रजेर कानाई ब्रजेशो दिन दुए केर मतो হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই দারাবতীর দেশে ব্রজ গোপী কেঙ্গে আকুল নয়ন জলে ভাসে। বেঙ্গলি কীর্তন, very sweet. If you listen to it, you will be crying. You must cry. Srimati Radhika she told, হারিয়ে গেছে ব্রজের কানাই। Krishna he belongs to Braj, but he went in Dwarkapuri. Then he completely lost. Brajer Kanai, Braje Chalo Din. Hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. Braj, especially Brajavasis, they are crying for you. Subal, Siddham, cows, birds, and Braj Gopis, all they are crying for you. Hey Krishna, please come in Vrindavan. But Krishna pacified to the, hey Gopis, don't worry. I never forget you. But I have some duty responsibilities. For this regard, I am here. Almost I finished all my duty and responsibilities. दो एक शत्रु रह गया, उसके मार करके मैं अति शीघ्र ही ब्रज में वापस आ जाऊंगा। Just couple enemies in there, so I will kill to them. Then, as soon as possible, I return back in Braj. Then, so Krishna, Krishna again he told, I will return back to Braj. The Krishna, this word, they faith. And then in this their faith, in their mind, they also seated to Krishna in their chariot of mind. Chodi Gopir Manorathe, Manmathe, Nam Dhare, Madana Mohan. So in this way, Gopis they also pulled the chariot and Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. Because Krishna will come. Because Krishna's words and Krishna is same. कृष्ण की जो वाणी और कृष्ण में कोई अंतर नहीं है, जिसके कहा जाता है भागवत के क्या वांगमय मूर्ति कहा जाता है। कृष्ण's words नॉन डिफरेंस फ्रॉम कृष्ण, For this regard, Sanskrit word is called वांगमय मूर्ति. कृष्ण साक्षात शब्द के रूप में ही प्रकाशित हुए. इसलिए गोपियां विचार करने लगे कृष्ण जो कहा ये सत्य है. इसलिए कृष्ण ने गोपियों ने किया कि अपने मनोरूपी रथ में कृष्ण के बैठाया और उसको लेकर के कहाँ चले? वृंदावन. इसलिए चोरी गोपी मनोरथे मन मथे नाम धरे मदन मोहन. इन दिस वे कुरुक्षेत्र टू वृंदावन. कृष्ण इज गोइंग इन द चैरियट द माइंड ऑफ द गोपीज. बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल. नाउ विल टेक प्रसाद. Then we proceed to our next direction. Jai Jai Shri Ram. If I speak many hours, then we can achieve. चलो सब प्रसाद देते. जय बोलो वृंदावन बिहारी लाल की जय. प्रसाद कहाँ है? उधर ही ले. चलो उधर ले ले. बात में लेंगे ना अंदर में. आइए प्रसाद लेकर के चलते हैं. देर हो गई. नो प्रॉब्लम.